Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy A20e and I will show you how you can add and remove home screen widgets. So at first I'm going to remove these two widgets. So you have to click, hold and select remove from home on the both widgets. Right now when you want to pick a new widget, you have to click and hold the screen, select widgets right here. In this place you can find a lot of different widgets. For example, I'm going to attach the weather widget. When you click once you will get this few themes of the same widget, so I would like to pick this one. You have to click and hold and attach to your screen. You can just release. This application will open, so you have to accept permission to the location. And as you can see, there it is. Right now with these dots we can resize this widget, so you can make it bigger, smaller or wider, for example. You can tap outside to close this option. Of course, you can move this widget between screens like any other icon. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.